Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to use shadows in Grigora and create different shadow effects. Grigora now includes both inner shadow and outer shadow options. To apply shadows, go to any block or element settings. Click on the Shadows option. Turn on the box shadow toggle. Once enabled, you'll see controls for X offset, Y offset, spread, and blur radius. You'll also get color options and the choice between outer and inner shadow. Using these controls, you can create various shadow effects. For example, try inner shadow and tweak its settings to see the effect. You can apply these shadow options to any element that has the shadow feature available. Experiment with different combinations of X, Y, spread, blur, and color settings to create unique shadow styles. Try this out to add depth and visual appeal to your Grigora designs. See you in the next tutorial.